In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to learn Webflow effectively and efficiently. Whether you're an aspiring web designer or just curious about building websites, Webflow is a powerful tool that can turn your creative ideas into reality. So, let's dive into this 5-minute guide to mastering Webflow. The journey begins with Webflow University, your go-to resource for understanding the fundamentals. Here, you'll find core courses that cover essential topics like UI/UX design, HTML, CSS, and visual design. These courses are designed to break down complex concepts into digestible pieces, making it easy for you to grasp the basics of web building. As you progress through these courses, you'll start to feel more confident in your understanding of the building blocks of the web, which is an essential step in mastering Webflow. Once you've got a good handle on the basics, it's time to explore Webflow's library of free, clonable projects. This is an excellent way to see firsthand how other creators structure their websites. By reverse engineering these projects, you can learn about the different elements, interactions, and layouts used by experienced designers. Don't forget to explore the Webflow Showcase too. This community showcase is brimming with inspiring websites and clonables that can provide fresh ideas and motivate you in your journey. Engaging with others is invaluable, so make sure to visit the Webflow forum. It's a fantastic platform to ask questions, seek help, and connect with other users who might share your interests or face similar challenges. The community can be a tremendous source of support and inspiration as you delve deeper into Webflow. Don't overlook the wealth of tutorials available on YouTube. You'll discover a wide array of content, ranging from beginner crash courses to in-depth deep dives on specific topics. These videos can offer different perspectives and explanations that complement what you've learned on Webflow University and through the showcase, reinforcing your understanding and sparking new ideas. Now, it's time to put your knowledge into practice by building real projects. Start with something simple to build your confidence and gradually increase the complexity as you become more comfortable. Creating actual projects is crucial because it allows you to apply what you've learned in a practical context, consolidating your learning and uncovering areas where you might need more practice. Finally, remember that mastery comes with practice. Make it a habit to work on Webflow regularly. Seek feedback from others, improve your designs, and stay updated with the latest features and trends. Being open to learning and evolving is key to becoming proficient in Webflow. With persistence and passion, you'll soon find yourself creating beautiful, functional websites with ease. And there you have it, a concise guide to learning Webflow. By following these steps, you'll equip yourself with the skills and knowledge needed to excel in web design. Happy designing!